Hello viewers, today I am going to talk about Dadra Tal, which is the most common tal in Indian lighter forms of music. My today's lecture will include theoretical as well as practical aspect of Dadra Tal, and that too with its Dugun and Chougun Layakaries. Before explaining this popular tal of Indian music, I will like to brief the viewers about tal. Though in my previous lectures on Teen Tal and Ek Tal, I had explained in detail about what is tal. Yet once again I am briefing about tal. Tal or rhythmic cycle is an Indian system of rhythm. Lay or rhythm is the basic tempo which is set by the performer for singing or playing any musical composition. When lay or musical time is fixed in matras, it is known as tal. Or we can say tal is a cycle of the fixed number of matras or beats repeated over and over again till the composition is completed. Each tal has different numbers of beats in it. For the students of music, it is important to have the knowledge of the most common tals of Hindustani music like Teen Tal, Ek Tal, Jhap Tal, Dadra Tal, Rupak Tal and Kehrwa Tal, etc. So, in this lecture, I am going to explain Dadra Tal with its theoretical and practical aspect, and that too with its Dugan and Chougun Layakaries. So, now over to Dadra Tal. Dadra is a tal of 6 beats which is extremely common in the lighter forms of music. Dadra Tal derives its name from its association with the light classical style of singing named Dadra. This is also used for folk music and popular tunes and is played with bhajans, qawwalis, geet, ghazals and other type of light classical music. This tal is frequently used in film music, and there are a number of film songs which are composed in Dadra Tal. Dadra Tal is primarily played on tabla and is also performed on other drums. It is a very simple tal with 6 beats which are grouped in 2 vibhags having 3 beats each. The first beat is symbolized by sum, that is the clap, and the fourth beat with khali, the wave of hand. The bols of Dadra Tal are dha dhin na, dha tin na, which are written in the script. It should be no surprise that there are a number of variations about Dadra Tal. Simple rhythm of Dadra Tal often makes the children to dance. Not only this, its rhythm moves even every young and old. Dadra Tal is played in a variety of tempos. It may be heard from Vilambit to Drutlay, that is from slow to fast tempo. Only it is not played in Ati Vilambit lay, that is extremely slow tempo. You can see in the script table of Dadra Tal written in its complete form, that is showing sum, tali and khali. Now, I will demonstrate before you how to recite Dadra Tal, counting matras by hand and showing sum, tali and khali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dha, dhin, na, dha, din, na, dha, din, na, dha, din, na, dha. Now you will listen practical performance of Dadra Tal on tabla.
Tal, Dadra, Tha, Le. Tha, Dhin, Na, Dha, Tin, Na.
Now let's ahead towards the second part of lecture, which is about Dugun and Chougun Layakaries of Dadra Tal. But first, let me tell you what is Layakari. The word Layakari is derived from the word lay. Lay is the basic rhythm or tempo which is set by the performer for singing or playing any musical composition. Layakari is the ability to manipulate the notes according to lay or rhythm. This lay can be double, triple or up to 8 times faster of the original or the basic lay, which is set by the performer. When lay is doubled, it is known as Dugun, or we can say Dugun is a double of the original lay. Similarly, when lay becomes 4 times faster of the original or the basic lay, it is known as chogun. Dugun and chogun etc., these are called the different layakaries of Tal. These layakaries can be better understood in a simple way, that the time consumed for one bol or one syllable in one beat in the basic lay is the same for the 2 bols in Dugun and for 4 bols in Chougun Layakari. Let me demonstrate it. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the basic lay. Now, for Dugun, I will recite 2 bols or 2 digits in one beat. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Similarly, I will recite 4 bols in one beat for chogun. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, I will demonstrate Dugun and Chougun Layakaries of Dadra Tal by hands. First, the take of Dadra Tal, and then I will demonstrate the Dugun of Dadra Tal. Dha, dhin, na, dha, din, na, dha, din, na, dha, din, na. Dha, din, na, 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 dha. See the chogun of Dadra Tal, first the single and then its Chougun Layakari. Dha, dhin, na, dha, din, na, dha, din, na, dha, din, na. Dha, din, na, 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 dha, din, na. Dha, din, na, 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 dha. Now, you listen Dadra Tal on tabla with its Dugun and Chougun Layakaries.
Tal, Dadra, Dugun le. Dha dhin na dha tin na dha dhin na dha tin na. Tal Dadra chogun le. Dha dhin na dha tin na dha dhin na dha tin na dha dhin na dha tin na dha dhin na dha tin na.
You must have noticed while performing by hands or playing on tabla, Dugun consumes half of the time and the chogun consumes 1/4 of the time as it takes in the single lay. Or we can say that in the same time, takeoff tal is repeated 2 times in Dugun and 4 times in chogun Layakari. Now let us proceed towards writing of these various Layakaries of Tan. For writing of Tal in single unit called Tha, first of all we will have to write the total matras or beats of Tal in digital numbers. Then to divide the total beats into small sections or groups called vibhags. The most important part for writing any tal is to write the bols or the syllables of tal, which in complete form is called the takeoff tal. Last but not the least step to write any tal is to put tal chin, that is the symbols of rhythmic cycle. The 3 important beats of any tal are sam, tali and khali. You can see in the script takeoff Dadra Tal written in its complete form, that is showing the matras, bol and talchin of sam, tali and khali. It is not irrelevant to mention that for writing any tal with its Layakaries like Dugan and Chougun, Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande's notation system has been adopted. Because this notation system has become the medium of instructions in institutional music education in almost all over India. After writing the takeoff Dadra Tal, the next step is how to write Dugun and Chougun Layakaries of Tal. Writing Dugun of Dadra Tal. As I have said and demonstrated before, Dugun is the double of the basic lay. Now for writing Dugun of Dadra Tal, 2 bols or the syllables of Tal are combined together in each beat by putting the symbol of an Ardhchandra, a half moon like figure beneath 2 bols. While doing so, the complete takeoff Tal will be repeated 2 times, combining 2 bols together in each beat. You can see Dugun of Dadra Tal written in the script. It is very important to mention here again, while writing Dugun of any tal, only the takeoff tal will be written 2 times, combining 2 bols of tal in each beat, whereas matras and the talchin, that is symbols of rhythmic cycle, will be written 1 time only. Writing Chougun of Dadra Tal. As I have said, Chougun is 4 times faster of the basic lay. For writing Chougun Layakari of Tal, method is the same. The symbols for writing chogun Layakari is the same, that is an earth chandra, a half moon like figure for combining 4 bowls together in one beat in chogun Layakari. You can see chogun of Dadra Tal written in the script. You must have noticed while writing the chogun Layakari, Theka of Tal is repeated 4 times. It is not irrelevant to mention here once again that only the bowls of Tal will be repeated 4 times in chogun Layakari, whereas matras and talchin will be written 1 time only. While practicing by hand or playing on tabla, Dugun and chogun Layakaries will consume the same time as it takes in single lay. Thus, following these steps, students of music can recite and write Dugun, chogun or any other Layakari of Tal very easily and quickly. To sum up, we can say that Dadra Tal is the most popular and maximum used Tal in light music. It is the basic Tal in music about which every student of music should be aware of. It is used frequently for semi-classical form of singing, Dadra, light music and even folk music and film music. Layakaries of any Tal are very interesting and astonishing part of Tal. It is both ways interesting to write the Layakaries and to do it practically. Once the students understand the method of doing it, they start practicing it and writing these Layakaries from the very early stage of music learning. It is so easy and interesting that even the beginner students can follow this system of writing the Layakaries as well as performing the Layakaries very quickly. Thus, we can say that Tal and Layakaries of Tal help the students in developing their interest in the subject. Not only this, the students develop the habit of keeping good command over lay or rhythm while singing or playing. Thank you.